start to think these are sponsored by Wildcat?
I don't know. Probably this one.
By the way, they're not sponsoring us. We just really like this park.
Yeah, it's got a lot of really good things going for it. Having been to a couple of other parks now, we know that they've got a good, accurate map. They have all their trails marked. There's maintenance on the trails too, so that's really good. We really like Wildcat.
That we do. And you can spend a good full day there and not see the same thing twice.
Yeah, it takes about a day, I would say, to get through it, but it's a full day. I mean, it's 10 hours on the trail, something like that, to see pretty much everything. And then if you decide to go off the beaten path, like we have maybe once or twice, there's plenty outside the park as well, and not condoning that, but if you want to, and that's your kind of thing, a lot of scenery out there, waterfalls and rock ledges, and we found a logging trail, parks, all kinds of really cool stuff.
Yeah, definitely worth a visit.
Highly recommend.
We had a group of people who were at Wildcat today, conveniently, so...
Yeah, that's
we'll
kind of
be
what I'm
heading with them.
expecting from today, is a good group ride. the boat. It's in an awkward spot.
Yeah. Look at all this. It hasn't rained for
Oh my
about
gosh.
a week at least.
It's turned into a trash can.
Yeah. That is the unfortunate trend I think we've seen here at Wildcat. At some of the highlight locations, there is some graffiti, you know, that stuff. What are you gonna do?
I don't know, man.
Dirt on your ear. Mud, rather. What you playing here?
Send it.
Hold on. That would have been bad.
A little bit.
I'm not sure if we got your face on camera, but it was like, oh
Yeah, that little teeter totter there. As I was trying to come down that hill on the left side, that was not good. Everybody's like waving me on down here too, like just do it, just do it.
Not
And
at
I'm
that
like,
angle. Not
no,
at the angle you
no,
were
no.
at. Maybe if you.
If I could come down straight,
Yeah.
yeah, it'd be completely fine. But yeah, no, I
Then
had
you
to come
could
down
straddle
the other
it, but-
side.
Yeah.
Last time I got told she went around the front of the boat,
What's that?
and now we'll take you to the waterfall.
Oh no, we got to go through. We'll go through the creek here and go out the back, hit Trail 3, and then. there, it's been, for the most part, stress-free. We haven't popped a tire like we have at Haspin. We haven't, you know, been in over our head like we were at Boneyard. Every time has been good. And so that's our, I think we determined that was our 5th time there. We're 5 for 5 going to Wildcat. And, you know, I just really enjoy that place. So
We will be back.
we will definitely be back. I don't know if it'll be this year. I don't know if it'll be next year. It's hard to say with everything that's going on.
Yeah.
And, you know, always a good time. So tell a friend about us if you can, and get them to like and subscribe. Definitely appreciate everything you guys are doing. We've had a really good string of subscriptions, so that's been great. We really appreciate everything you're doing, liking, so go ahead and hit that like button, please, and know that it helps us out in tremendous ways that you can't even imagine. So thank you for watching again. We will see you next time, and yeah, just go out there and have fun. Enjoy more trips like we did today at Wildcat. See ya.
Sure.